Van alarms, tracker alerts. Now let me explain myself. Here we have a brand new fit Ducato camper van. And what we've done, we installed a AutoWatch 695, which is a category 2.1 thatch improved alarm system. And additional to that, we fitted a category S5 Plus, so it basically has an immobilisation tracking system. But what we've done, we linked the alarm system to the tracker. So when the alarm triggers, it sends a signal to the tracker which will alert the tracking and monitoring company, and they'll notify you that the alarm system has been triggered. Right, so I've armed the alarm system with a factory remote. So don't need any additional remote, it just works with that. And when you lock the door, it'll arm the alarm system. So after a few seconds, it becomes all active. So the alarm's now triggered. And by triggering that alarm system off, it's now sent an alert to the tracking company as it's linked up to the tracker. Now, additional to this, being a category S5 Plus tracker, which has its own immobilisation, so if you come over here, you have to carry one of these cards with you. And without this card, now what it is, I have actually turned this card off, hence why I've got it in my hands, but it still won't start. So if I try to start it, got absolutely nothing, will not start. So what I'm going to do now is turn it on. By just pushing that, get one blue light, means now the tag is turned on. So it now starts. So without that being present and turned on, the vehicle won't start. So it got additional immobilisation as a security protocol. So there you have it. Van alarm with tracker alerts.